Hey everyone, welcome back to Bear's Workshop. In today's video, we're going to show you how to hook up a HomeLink garage door opener button system on a vehicle to a garage door or a gate or whatever it might be. This is going to be a quick short video. It's about 110 degrees out, so we're just trying to keep it short. Thanks for watching. Okay, in today's video we're going to be setting up the HomeLink system in this Cadillac. Most vehicles out there these days have the HomeLink system. So we've got 3 different remotes. We've got one for the garage door for the house. We've got a remote for the wireless Mighty Mule gate opener. And then we have one for a LiftMaster garage door for our shop. So we're going to do all 3 of them. 2 of them are the same, and one of them is going to be a little bit different. So when you're setting these up, the first thing you got to do is clear your codes. So you go over to your control panel, and you'll notice here we've got 3 buttons, 1, 2, 3. So the first thing we need to do is clear the codes that are in there. So we're going to hold this down until it flashes. There, it's flashing, so now I can release. I think we've got it cleared. I'm going to hit the button for the gate and see if the gate works. Still, and the gate no longer works. Now notice right here, in this particular vehicle, we've got the SOS. This is for the OnStar system. That you may have something similar in your car, or you may not, but don't hit that. I already did when I was doing a little test run of this, and the OnStar emergency people gave me a call to see if I was okay.
Good afternoon. This is Sophia from OnStar. What is the nature of the emergency?
So be careful, these buttons are close to each other. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold both of these buttons down, and we're waiting for a change in the light. Right now it's flashing slowly, and now it went solid, and that should work. Sometimes it will flash rapidly or go solid, but it needs to just change. And now the button works. So that's all you need to do for like a Mighty Mule wireless gate. Now we have a garage that we're going to drive over to now. So we're going to hold the 2 buttons down until they flash, and then the pattern changes like it's doing right now. We're going to set the keypad right now so that it's on learn mode. So we're going to set this to remote. We're going to program, set, remote. Now we're going to go back to the vehicle and we're going to hit the button in there. Okay, since we put we basically hit the learn button on the LiftMaster by using that keypad, since that's a programmable keypad. You can also hit the learn button on the device also. So on this one, now that we've hit remote on there, we can hit this, and that's going to program the garage door for that. And now that works. Now, very simple on how to do that, as long as you hit your learn button. Now for the garage door for the house, it's going to be the same method. So we're going to go do that right now. All right, so we're going to hold this button down, and we're going to hold down this button at the same time without hitting the SOS button on the OnStar. Now it's flashing rapidly. So we're going to go ahead and open that up. I'm going to run in, and I'm going to hit the learn button. That should do it. Now we're going to hit this button here. And there goes the garage. So now all 3 of my buttons are programmed. One for my gate. Dog got in the way. Jumped back up. Okay, so what we completed was we programmed the HomeLink for the wireless gate, which only required the button and no other, no running out to hit a learn button. For the workshop, we needed to hit the learn button, and that is on a LiftMaster garage door opener. And then also on the garage door for the house, it was the same thing, an older LiftMaster, and we had to hit the learn button on that. So we've got all 3 buttons on our HomeLink system are programmed. It's good to go. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments below. If you like this video, hit the like button. If this was helpful for you and you like our channel, want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.